In this video, we listed the 5 best folding treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ProForm Carbon TLX. The ProForm Treadmill is a high-quality exercise machine designed for fitness enthusiasts, featuring a sleek black design and built from durable alloy steel. It boasts impressive dimensions of 74-inch dx35, wx59H and weighs 249 pounds, offering a robust user experience with a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour. This like-new treadmill includes a variety of special features such as a built-in speaker system for an enhanced audio experience, shock absorption for reduced impact during workouts, auto-incline capabilities, and a foldable design for easy storage. It supports users up to 300 pounds and comes with a 30-day IFIT trial, granting access to over 10,000 outdoor workouts led by expert trainers. Additionally, the product is protected by a warranty that covers the frame for 10 years and parts and labor for 1 year, ensuring reliability and peace of mind for adult users looking to improve their fitness. Number 2. BowFlex Treadmill. The BowFlex Treadmill is a high-performance exercise machine designed for adult fitness enthusiasts, featuring a sleek black design and robust construction with a weight of 253.5 pounds. Its dimensions are 78 inches deep, 37.6 inches wide, and 62.8 inches high, making it sizable yet portable for home use. The treadmill boasts a motorized incline of up to 15% for hill training, complemented by a 20 inches by 60 inches ComfortTech cushioning system running belt that ensures a softer impact during workouts. Users can take advantage of the dual-track LCD display, which includes 26 built-in workout programs and heart rate monitoring capabilities, both contact and telemetry enabled. Additionally, the treadmill offers a 2-month free trial of the JRNY mobile-only membership, providing access to adaptive workouts, inspiring trainers, and over 200 virtual courses, allowing users to enhance their exercise routines at their convenience. Number 3. Horizon Fitness Treadmill. The Horizon Fitness Treadmill is a robust and versatile commercial-grade workout machine, designed specifically for home use, featuring a sleek black finish and sturdy aluminum and plastic construction. With dimensions of 76 inches by 37 inches by 63 inches and a weight of 318 pounds, it boasts an extra-large 22x 60-inch running surface equipped with 3-zone variable response cushioning that accommodates a maximum user weight of 350 pounds. The treadmill supports speeds up to 12 miles per hour and includes a 0 to 15% incline range, allowing users to engage in various workout styles, from walking to high-intensity interval training. Quick dial controls facilitate smooth transitions between settings, while multiple programs, including a 5K and fat burn, cater to diverse fitness goals. Additional features like Bluetooth connectivity for streaming, integrated speakers, and a water bottle holder enhance the overall workout experience. Moreover, the foldable design with a hydraulic system ensures easy storage, making it an ideal choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking performance and convenience. Number 4. Echelon Stride Sport 10. The Echelon Stride S treadmill combines safety, functionality, and advanced technology, making it a standout choice for cardiovascular exercise such as walking, jogging, or running. Crafted from high-grade alloy steel, this sleek black treadmill features a spacious running deck measuring 20 inches by 55 inches and accommodates a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour with a 10% incline. Its innovative design includes a 10-inch HD touchscreen, auto-fold technology for easy storage, and Bluetooth connectivity, along with a USB charging port. Safety is prioritized with a metal safety bar beneath the running deck and compliance with international safety standards, UL 1647 and EN 20957. Additional features include integrated heart rate sensors, generous side steps for easy exit, and portability options like built-in transport wheels. The product is backed by a 12-month limited parts and labor warranty, ensuring customer support, while a membership is required for access to certain features. However, users must first perform an update via Wi-Fi before use. Number 5. Life Fitness Treadmill. The Life Fitness Treadmill is a compact and innovative exercise machine designed for adults, featuring a sleek gray aluminum construction and a foldable design for easy storage and mobility. With dimensions of 78.5-inch dx 34.5, wx 58.5 h and a substantial weight of 290 pounds, this treadmill supports a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a powerful 3 horsepower motor. It incorporates the patented FlexDeck shock absorption system, significantly reducing knee and joint stress compared to outdoor running, thus minimizing the risk of injury. The treadmill also includes advanced heart rate monitoring through contact sensors and wireless telemetry, as well as a user-friendly quick start feature that saves preferred speed and incline settings. For a more engaging workout experience, users can connect their mobile devices via Bluetooth to sync with various fitness apps or utilize the treadmill's dual-zone design, which includes an eye-level entertainment zone for devices and a workout zone with intuitive touch controls. Additionally, the soft drop and roll-away feature allows for safe and effortless folding, making this treadmill perfect for both walking, jogging, and running at home.